We are super excited to share this new S concept with you. We believe it encapsulates the spirit of youth. This series is the intersection of style and sport in look and feel as well as in function. Without wasting any more time, let's meet our new Watch S series. And first, let's start with Realme Watch S Pro, the best and the most stylish smartwatch of Realme, and it will also be Realme's first high-end smartwatch with AMOLED display and stainless steel body. Let me explain. Being an accessory that you sport every day, it is essential that your watch has a stylish design. For the Realme Watch S series, we have adopted a super stylish design that is sure to complement your style. The design of the Watch S Pro is inspired by one of the most popular watches, the diving watch. The diving watch has an elegant and stylish design with a classic round bezel marking, giving the Realme Watch S Pro a unique character, a strong sense of fashion, and an energetic sporty feel. For the Realme Watch S Pro body, to provide more premium looks, we chose to go with stainless steel, which is usually selected for high-end and expensive watches. We are using one of the most popular stainless steel materials, the SUL 316L, for excellent endurance and durability. And for the cover glass of the Watch S Pro, we adopted Corning Gorilla Glass to ensure sustainability and prevent unexpected accidents in daily life. And we have a contest on Realme Link's Twitter page for the same. Go check it out and get a chance to win the Realme Watch S Pro. We have prepared more than 100 stylish watch faces for the Watch S series, so users can select either one of these to fit with their everyday mood and look. The watch strap also plays a crucial role, which is why this time we have provided more choice for the watch strap. With the Watch S Pro, while the silicone strap is ideal for your daily use, you can choose the vegan leather strap to flaunt your fashion sense. That was the style part of the Watch S Pro. Now let's have a look at the Pro screen. The screen is a vital component of the hardware for a smartwatch. The Watch S Pro screen gives you more insight into information, more realistic visuals, and stays online in any environment, whatever sports you pursue or in everyday life. The Watch S Pro features a 1.39-inch AMOLED touchscreen display and comes with the fantastic always-on display clock to ensure that the time is always showing on the wrist. The Watch S Pro uses the Smart AOD plan, which will smart control the dial to provide longer battery life. Its resolution is as high as 454 by 454 pixels, which goes to a pixel per inch density of 326, and it makes every glance feel incredibly clear and realistic. And the contrast ratio is actually as high as 100,000 to 1. And the support for 16.7 million colors altogether allows for a great display experience. More importantly, the Watch S Pro adopts the convenient auto brightness adjustment, allowing our users to get a comfortable visual indoor or outdoor. The screen can adjust brightness between 5 levels, providing great visibility in any condition while lowering the power consumption simultaneously. Then comes a very important part: Pro battery. According to our understanding and our studies, 80% of smartwatch users are very concerned about the battery life of their watches. And in the market, there are about 60% of smartwatches that have less than 1 week of battery life. What users care about is what we care about. And we want smartwatches to help us live our lives without worrying about power every day. This is why when we designed the Watch S Pro, we put a 420 mAh battery inside, which can provide up to 14 days of battery life or up to 2 weeks of battery life. The huge battery built into the watch is a tailor-made power optimization strategy for the watch developed by our development team. The long battery life makes the Watch S Pro ideal product for people who travel for short periods of time regularly. Powerful intelligence is what the Realme Watch S Pro wants to bring to you. This is made possible by the powerful processors built into the watch. You may not be able to imagine it, but the Realme Watch S Pro actually has dual processors built in to provide powerful performance support for the watch. This is not only something that ensures smooth daily usage, but also enhances overall processing speed with low power consumption. Let's now talk about the health monitoring functions of the Watch S Pro. Health monitoring is one of the core features of the smartwatch experience, helping our users lead a healthy lifestyle. The Watch S Pro comes with 3 major health functions: real-time heart rate monitor, blood oxygen level monitor, and intelligent activity trackers. The blood oxygen saturation level is an important reference data for medical treatment as well. Everyone's body requires and regulates an exact specific balance of oxygen in the blood. Normal arterial blood oxygen saturation levels in humans are about 95 to 100%. A level below 90% indicates that the health of the referred person might be deteriorating. Monitoring blood oxygen level is especially necessary for the people who need to work or study hard for a long time, or the people who are in a poor health state already. Heart rate is also an important health reference data, and the Watches Pro is equipped to monitor heart rate accurately in every 5 minutes. In case the watch detects an unusual heart rate, which means if it's too high or too low, it will alarm the user. And thanks to the upgraded PPG sensor, the Watches Pro provides data that's comparable to medical grade equipment. This chart here shows the data of Watches Pro against a professional medical device. Not only does the blood oxygen level, but the heart rate data also are all high precision data. The Realme Watch S Pro serves as a careful health reminder, characterized by many health functions such as step tracker, idle alert, drink water reminder, and sleep monitoring. With a bundle of holistic features, users can access the most comprehensive health functions. These are all the health functions of the amazing Realme Watch S Pro. We want you to stay fit and maintain your sports habits, which is why the Realme Watch S series is equipped to keep a record of your fitness activity. The Watches Pro provides up to 15 kinds of sports modes for our users. It covers all sports in daily life. Did you notice something new in there? Yes, the Realme Watch S Pro comes with a swimming mode. And we have a contest lined up for you for the same. So go ahead to the Realme Link's Twitter handle to stand a chance to win a brand new Realme Watch S Pro. The Realme Watch S Pro also comes with 5 ATM water resistance and is equipped to keep good condition even under 15 meters of deep water, helping you take a record of your swimming. With the Watch S Pro, you can record your total calories, know exactly how many calories you've burned, and have automatic recognition of your swim strokes to provide different recordings of different strokes. Additionally, it can help you better understand your swimming habits and patterns by providing SWOT data and swim distance. Additionally, the Watches Pro has a built-in high-precision dual satellite GPS sensor built in, as I said, which brings a new display mode for the outdoor sports, making it easier to share your tracks with your friends. Let's quickly review the sports features of the Realme Watches Pro. 15 sports modes provide accurate record of daily sports. Newly added 5 ATM water resistant, which makes the Watches Pro a superb swim recorder, and ultra accurate dual satellite GPS to help you record and share sports tracks quickly. Next, I would like to share with you the smart part of the Realme Watches Pro. AIoT is a key business for Realme, and we hope to bring you a new, smart, and trendy lifestyle through AIoT. And the watch is a very important part of it. We have already completed the first and most important step, the smart interconnection of watches and smartphones. According to our research, 80% of users' needs for a smartwatch are to get information. Therefore, the Watches Pro offers a larger screen to help you see more content. The AOD function in the Watches Pro enables you to see the time more quickly. We've also made it possible for the watch to mirror all your phone's notifications, whether they are from the system's own apps or third-party apps. The Realme Watch S series can immediately reject phone calls, automatically unlock the phone while approaching, remotely control the music player, and control the camera shutter for remotely clicking pictures. Finally, take a look at the Watches Pro with an awesome video.